Hello, friends. We've been talking about positional words. So things like on or in, next to, beside, in front, behind, on, under. So we're going to do a little activity here about some positional words, okay? All right, so I have my little ladybug, hello, and I have a box. This is just a tissue box, okay? So I would like for you to get a toy, a little one, a small one, okay, and a box. It doesn't have to be a tissue box. It can be any kind of box, just some sort of box that you can use. Okay, I'll wait. Do you have your box now? Great. All right. So I'm going to show you some positions for little Miss Ladybug here. Right now, the ladybug is beside the box. Okay, she's beside the box. If I put her over here, she's still beside the box. What if I put her here? Where is she now? She's on the box. She's on the box. Okay? And if I put her here, she's under the box. Do you see her? Hello. What if I put her here? She's behind the box. Peekaboo. Okay? And if I put her here, she's in the box. She's in the box. And if I put her here, she's in front of the box. In front. Okay? So let's see. Beside the box. I could put her on this side. Or I could put her on this side, and she would still be beside the box. Behind the box. That's going to be over here, just like this. Behind. Behind. She's hiding, playing peekaboo. Behind the box. Over here, she is in front of the box. In front. Here, where is she now? Under. She's under the box. And here, she's on the box. She's on. If I put her here, she's over the box. She's not on it, she's over it. And if I put her here, she's in the box. Okay? So what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to make a video for me and show me your toy with your box beside, under, on, over, in front, behind, and in. She's in the box. Okay? So you're going to make me a video showing all those positions with your toy and your box. And then you'll upload it for me. Okay? Thank you. Have a great day.